Phillies welcome their 25 millionth fan. That is really impressive. Another sellout here at the ballpark. 181 in a row. Chase Utley, Jimmy Rollins, Ryan Matson out there with 3 different sets of fans. Tom Hillenbrand, John Linton, and Ann Aronson. They're representing the group ticket holders, the season ticket holders, and the individual ticket holders who have come through the gates here at Citizens Bank Park since this great ballpark opened.
Yeah, and those 4 guys that were out there with them, look out. Oh boy. Everybody's okay. Those 4 guys that were out there with them tonight were 4 guys that have been here since the ballpark opened.
And understand the presence and everything about it.